All right, this is the brand new elevator. A brand new elevator at Ardmore Station in Ardmore, Pennsylvania. This is the side towards Thorndale. Let's go up. This is a Kencor, I believe, platform. Sorry, I'm just balancing a mango passionade from Shake Shack here. Here's the side towards Thorndale Tunnel. Yeah, this just opened a couple weeks ago. Yeah, sorry, I'm just bouncing a mango passionade from Shake Shack. A really big dinner there, since I didn't have any lunch today. Because I sometimes have those days where I don't get hungry, and this was one of them. Where's the tunnel? This is brand new. Get a cat view. Basically similar to the one on the side towards Temple. Hi. We're gonna end it up at the platform. Excuse me. Yeah, I had gotten my hair cut, as you can see. Actually, I'll take one more ride. That'll be it. Because I really don't want to get... These are brand new. We'll end it up at the platform. We're gonna send it down to the tunnel. There it goes, and that's it.